Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the application or softwares from your application. So first go to your application right here and search the application you want to remove. For example, I'm going to remove the Google Chrome. So you just tap here and it show you here. You see this Google Chrome. Click on the plus and click here, click on other and pop up this one. You have to find the system. So tap system file, select this one, check here and click here. Okay, are included and select here and select all of this and delete it. That's it. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope this is help you out, and please subscribe. Thank you.